Hello guys, on this short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen. So if you have the full screen camera problem, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, all what you wanna do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and go to the search bar here, search for Snapchat like this, and right here if you found this update option, or what you have to do is click on update to update it into the latest version. After that, go back and open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.